Hey guys, it's Steve Lamont, the founder at Elevate Realty Group, and today we are going to talk about a long-awaited interest rate conversation. We've been in our interest rate environment for the last almost 2 years that has been kind of a struggle if you've been looking to buy a home or possibly refinance a home, or let's say you bought a home in the last year and a half and your payment's higher than you really want. I think we can finally say without a shadow of a doubt that interest rates have peaked, and we're certainly well off of the high of like 8.5%. There's some great news on the horizon. So we've been starting to hear and see that the core inflation numbers year over year have started to moderate, and they're definitely within the realm of where the feds want them to be. Not everything is perfect, right? And prices are still very high on everything. But the good news is that inflation is well under control and it is not increasing. But if you look back to the last 2 years, they call it the CPI number. And that is the core inflation number when you start adding in food, groceries, gas, automobiles, auto insurance, all those things. We've seen prices increase about 28% across the board, which is unfathomable, right? But the latest CPI numbers are coming in around 2.5 or 3%. All that means is if you look at July numbers and compare it to last July, it's up only 2.5 or 3%. This is great news. The feds are going to want to see this happen month over month over month to confirm that inflation surely is evening out and it's not increasing. There's anticipation that we should see the Fed funds rate, which is the interest rates that the Federal Reserve adjusts, start to come down. We might see some quarter to half point decreases in the federal funds rate as early as next month. Definitely by September, we'll start to see interest rates start to adjust and come down. I think what's really important to understand, none of this is a prediction, and I'm certainly not a financial advisor, and I'm not telling you to make any decisions based on this. What I am saying is, if you've been considering buying a home and you've been priced out because of interest rates, or let's say you've bought a home and you've been waiting for the right time to refinance, I think that, mark my words here, within the next 6 to 12 months, I think we're going to start to see rates come under 7%. Currently, we're hovering between 7 and 7.5. I would not be surprised if by the end of the year, we're sitting under 7%, maybe 6.5%. And that's going to create an opportunity for a lot of people to jump into the market affordably or refinance. As always, if you're considering buying or selling, reach out to us at homesbyelevate.com or call us at 916-436-SELL. Thank you so much.